Anjir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the 11th grade of Senior High School Nazhatul Tulab. My name is Desi Ratnasari.
And my name is Halifatul Sadia.
I'm standing here. I would like to discuss about biology subject.
About
Biology subject about human discus system. The first discussion. The discussion system is a series of organ networks that have function to discuss food. First, this food will be processed mechanically or similarly. Mechanically, discussion is discussion that occur in the stomach involving physical movements in the body. This discuss goal is to change the size of the food molecules in the smaller of the smoother forms. While similar discussion in a discussion involving enzymes, the main function of this system is for food, water, and electron for the body of the nutrient that is discussed, so it is ready to be absorbed. Discuss track organelle. The first is oral cavity. Mouth is the beginning of the discuss track. The oral cavity is limited by several parts, which are above by jawbone and ceiling or palatum. Left and right by the muscles of the cheeks and below by the lower jaw. There are two types of discussion in the oral cavity: mechanical discussion, mechanical discussion. Mouth cavity function. Do the first discussion by sieving to speak. In nursery, it is used to breathe. And the next,
Gastrus or stomach. The gaster or gastric is part of a channel that can expand the milk, especially in the epigastric. The stomach consists of the tube of urine, fundus oxygen, with a subgastric, the orifice of the pylori, located under the diaphragm in front of the pancreas and the spleen. Function of the stomach: accommodating food, destroying and softening patient's stomach and stomach cells. The function of stomach acts as killer of germs. The fourth, pancreas. The function of the pancreas is very important in the digestive system and metabolism. Besides being able to produce hormones, the pancreas also has a main function as an organ that the function of the pancreas is very important. The pancreas also function to produce digestive enzymes that are involved in the digestive stage that will have the respective function, namely lipase enzyme to break down fats, protease enzyme including same protein, the antigen to digest protein into amino acids, amylase enzyme to break down carbohydrates into blood sugar or glucose. Next,
and the next, intestinal minor. Smooth intestine or intestinal minor is part of the pylorus indigestion food impacting system, and hence one appropriate of sick matter is the large channel where the discuss process and absorption of discuss result consistent of small intestine layers. The gland, intestinal gland, produce discuss enzyme, namely peptides, serves to change peptide to into amino acid. Sucrase function to turn sucrose into glut and fructose. And the next, maltase serves to change maltose into glucose. And the next, lactose serves to turn lactose into glucose and galactose. Fine intestinal function receive food substances that have been discussed to absorb through blood capillaries and lymph channels, absorb protein in the form of amino acids. Carbohydrates are absorbed in monocytes. And the next.
Yeah.
The sixth, intestinal layer. The large intestine or intestinal layer is plus or minus 1,5 mm. Layers of large intestine from the outside. Slender membranes, circular muscular layer, extending muscular layer, connective tissue. Many bacteria contained in the large intestine function to digest several ingredients and help large absorb nutrients. The bacterium is also important of the normal function of the intestine. Large intestinal function consisting of absorb water from food, bacterial E. coli resident and feces. Next.
And the last closing conclusion. The digestive system, of course, has a major role and function to convert food into nutrients needed by the body. Nutrients from discussed will serve as a source of energy and nutrients for the development of body cells in humans. When the discussed process is complete, the discussed organ will more easily pick solid food raised to these points of the feces in order to decompose into energy and various nutrients such as amino acid, glucose, and fatty acid, food and drink that the body needs to the process in the digestive system.
Yeah.
Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your nice attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.